Top 5 foods highest in CoQ10. Organ meats like heart, liver and kidney are very high in CoQ10. They are often included in traditional diets for their nutrient density. 3 ounces of cooked organ meats provide about 2.7 milligrams of CoQ10. Fatty fish such as mackerel, salmon and sardines are rich in CoQ10. They can be grilled, baked or added to various dishes. 3 ounces of cooked fatty fish provide about 0.7 to 2.0 milligrams of CoQ10. Call. Spinach is a leafy green that provides a moderate amount of CoQ10. It can be eaten raw in salads or cooked in various dishes. 1 cup of cooked spinach provides about 0.3 milligrams of CoQ10. Broccoli is a nutritious vegetable that contains CoQ10. It can be steamed, roasted, or added to casseroles and soups. 1 cup of cooked broccoli provides about 0.3 milligrams of CoQ10. Cauliflower is a versatile vegetable that provides a small amount of CoQ10. It can be roasted, steamed, or used in a variety of recipes. 1 cup of cooked cauliflower provides about 0.2 milligrams of CoQ10. Including these foods in your diet will help maintain healthy levels of CoQ10.